Hello, my name is Liliana Beltran. I'm teacher in Paroquial San Carlos School. I teach in 6th and 7th grade. I'm going to tell you about the CLT Learning. The CLT places great emphasis on helping students use the target language in a variety of contexts and places great emphasis on learning language and functions. Its primary focus on helping learners create meaning rather than helping them develop perfectly grammatical structures or acquire native-like pronunciation. The CLT is usually characterized as a broad approach to teaching rather than as a teaching method with a clearly defined set of classroom practices. About approach: communicative language teaching, interaction, student-centered learning, task-based activities and communication for the real world, manifold purposes to teach and learn a second language according to the students' need using different pedagogical strategies such as school environments. About design, the syllables taking into account the needs of our students, improving your communication, and procedure strategies and activities that have allowed them to improve their communication skills, pedagogical tools, text writing skills, discussion forum about interesting topics in a real context, improve writing process, creativity and use of the foreign language to express their emotions, interests and thoughts. CLT, and it's important to talk to a communication, a real English, teacher's role and student's role, context, fluency, creativity, and meaning and use functions. According to this approach, the main objective of language learning is communicative competence. Aspects are such as syllables taking into account the needs of our students, improving your communication, and the teacher's role, learning facilitator, mentor, mediator, and diagnostician. And learners' role have to participate in classroom activities that are based on a cooperative rather than in an individualistic approach to the learning. Communicative competence, and we are going to talk about the communicative competencies about using language for different purposes and functions, producing and understanding different types of the text, and varying the use language according to the scene and participants, in that case in our students. Meaningful learning, it's equal to integrated knowledge. The raw learning is equal to fragment or learned knowledge, and no learning is equal to no knowledge. The principle of communicative language learning goals of teachers who use communicative language teaching. This part is important. The goal is to enable students to communicative in their language. To do this, students need knowledge of the students' form, meaning, and functions. They need to know that many different forms can be used to perform and function, and also that a single form can often serve a variety of functions. Thank you so much. I'm Liliana Beltran. I'm teacher in Paroquial San Carlos. I teach in 6th and 7th grade. Thank you so much. See you later.